Were you trying to handcuff me?
What, sir?
You guys trying to put me in custody?
We're taking you into.
Yeah.
We're not trying to. We're going to take you in custody, sir.
Okie dokie, friends. Let's head back to Michigan, but let's spend a little time with Judge Mom, Judge DiSanto.
State your name for the record. Louis Manbat.
Okay, sir, please, first of all, keep your hands out of your pockets. Second of all, please speak much louder.
That's kind.
Did that come out better?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and so today's the date scheduled for the arraignment and pretrial in this matter, and counsel as to the arraignment.
The client waives the formal reading of the charges and stands mute.
Or wait the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and as to the pretrial, counsel.
As to the pretrial, we're seeking an adjournment of the matter. The client is interested in retaining private counsel to defend him in this case.
Okay, Mr. Mazguy, you've indicated you're interested in retaining counsel. You've been aware of this court date since November 21st.
No, I actually just received the letterhead in the
Keep
mail.
your hands out of your pockets.
I just received the actual letter in the mail, ma'am.
Okay. All right, and so how long do you think that you need to retain an attorney?
Maybe 30 days,
I'm not giving you that long, sir.
whatever you're gonna give me, ma'am.
Well, can you do it in 2 weeks?
And of course,
No, you have a choice, but what I'm saying, sir, is that I'm required to make sure that the docket and the cases move along according to the time standards that the State Court of Michigan or the State Court Administrator's Office has put in place, right? To make sure individuals don't have their cases lingering and whatnot, and the victims have their cases that they're heard in court as well in a timely manner. So I won't adjourn it for 30 days. Can you retain an attorney in 2 weeks?
yes.
Okay. We will adjourn this to January 22nd,
9:40.
9:45 a.m. And as to bond counsel,
Yes, Your Honor. My client got something in the mail and he showed up today as he was directed. He's been attempting to avoid this case. He's never failed to appear for court. He's gainfully employed in the landscaping manager of a company called Lockhart's. He owns his own home. Right? He is anxious to get this resolved. He never, as I said, never failed to appear when acquired. He's not on probation or parole anymore. That's part of personal knowledge.
all right, sir, how long have you been working at your place of employment?
This is my first season, fourth season.
Okay, keep your hands out of your pockets, please. Next time, it's best if you, well, this is your third season,
No, my first season here.
first season.
Yeah.
How long have you lived at your home, sir?
My whole life.
I don't know how long that is. Do you know Tracy Cunningham?
No,
Do you know Jane Hilliard?
no.
Have you ever failed to appear in court for any reason?
No.
Are you currently on probation or parole anywhere? I'm sorry, you out on bond in any other jurisdiction?
No.
Do you work in Wyandotte, sir?
No, I'm working, it's a landscape company out of Sterling Heights now.
Right. Do they have any accounts in Wyandotte? So these are some very serious allegations with somebody that you don't know. The court has concerns for the safety of the public and the community. The court's going to ensure that you're complying with the conditions this court's going to give by having you post a $5,000 10% bond. You're not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this matter. That's Tracy Michael Cunningham or Jane Ellen Hillier. You're not to have any contact with prosecution witnesses. That contact prohibition, sir, is any phone contact, text message, email, social media, third party, anything of the like. You're not to enter the premises at the home on Goddard Road in Wyandotte. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed. You're not to possess or have access to any firearms or weapons. Do you have any of those, sir? You're to have a GPS tether through the Wayne County Jail. You can do that. You can do that as a walk-in if you post bond. And you're not to return to Wyandotte except for court. You're not to travel down Goddard Road in Wyandotte on your way to court. The court has also taken into consideration what appears to be a violent history for you, sir, because it appears as though you have a number of charges, various charges regarding obstruction or assault, or what's the escape and flight that you were charged with? Were you in custody, sir?
I don't even, ma'am, I haven't even never been convicted of a crime, ma'am.
From 2017.
I've never been convicted of.
So that wasn't my question.
Yeah,
The charge
you know what you're talking about. To be honest, I don't.
for Detroit Police Department, you have a charge of escape and flight.
No, I don't even ring a bell, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So, sir, you want to go this way so you can make sure you're posting your bond, and then you have a copy of your bond conditions as well.
$500 if it will lose.
All right, we'll see you back on the 22nd.
Your, one more, please. You can, right?
I don't have that in my brain. Okay, gotta wait till my next check.
$7, yeah.
So you can tell you, man, Christmas should happen, right?
I understand. Client is indicating to me that he's not gonna be able to raise $500 immediately.
Okay, well, you can make a phone call when you're in the back, sir. You can contact who you have to contact.
This one. Well, can you go tell him, right? You point, can you go tell him? Yeah, I can ask him. Were you trying to handcuff me?
What, sir?
Yeah, trying to put me in custody?
We're taking you into the.
Yeah.
We're not trying to. We're going to take you in custody, sir.
All right, well, can you,
It's significant others in the,
can I go ask my wife? Is she got-
No, you cannot. You're going to go with the police officer or with the court officer and your attorney, and keep your hands out of your pocket, sir. And your attorney will communicate with your wife.
No, man, look, my wife's the call.
Nicole.
Yeah, she wants my number.
Alrighty, well, sometimes you go to court and you don't get to go home. That's one of those times. Yeah, you're trying to take me into custody. Yeah, that, what do you think's gonna happen? They trying? All right. That was almost a veiled threat. I'm glad it didn't go south. Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.